not going to happen. You have to practice at like each and every step. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For if you do the continuous practice, that after that, when you will practice and all the things, that that will be the combined result, like in terms of your marks basically. So let me open the book of R.S. Agarwal. We will be taking the examples from it. So just give me a moment. Because NCERT has very similar questions and all. So that's why I'm right now taking some examples, and I've shared that book to all of you. Have you got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great, because that is a very good book for like you can have the very simplest definition. Okay, so that was the book which I prefer basically for this subject. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me open that. Did you have the test, fortnightly test yesterday?
No, sir.
Physics? No. Okay. Just asking because I thought that this Friday there would be a test. So okay, maybe next Friday you must have test. Just give me.
Sir, when will this chapter complete?
Today.
Today. Okay,
Yes.
sir. So after this chapter, can we do electricity?
Yes, we will be starting the electricity. I've already stated that in the starting of the class. We'll be doing the electricity because yeah, electricity is a very long chapter, and we must have we have to invest some time to have some numerical of and all the concepts. But rest three are very theoretical chapters, so we'll be taking that chapter won't take so much time. Just give me a second. Let me open it. Can anybody tell me what is magnification one by one? Ashad, can you tell me what is magnification?
Yes, sir.
What is magnification? Yes, Ashad.
Sir, size of height of the object and height of image.
Like in terms, what are the basically how they are related? I want the concept basically. Like I know that it's height of object and height of image. I want the relation between them. What is the basically the relation between them? Because in this chapter, everything is involved between the height of object, image distance, object distance, and height of image. I want the relation between them.
So relationship between what?
Between the basically what you said na ki I've asked that magnification is what you've told me, that height of object and height of image. I want the relation between height of object and image. So give me one moment, I'm having issues. Okay, Hiba. Okay, got it, no issues. Okay, so here's the question. Let's solve this question together, and then the next question you have to solve that question on your own in the coming part. Because I'm just again stating that in this chapter, plus minus sign is very crucial. If you like somehow get confused, just draw the Cartesian plane that I've drawn in the start of this chapter. How you will take the sign convention. I've already told to you twice. Everybody, somebody, like some of the students didn't attend the convention of mirrors, but in the yes, Hiba, you are saying something? Hiba or Karishma or Shweta?
I'm not saying anything.
Okay, Karishma.
Sir.
Okay. Yes, Hiba, are you saying something? Shweta, are you saying something?
Yes, sir. I have met.
Yeah. Okay.
So I said the ratio of height of image by height of object.
The ratio of
height of image by height of object. Or image
yes.
Distance or object distance.
Good evening,
yes,
sir.
Yes. Good evening, Abdullah. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine as well. So, okay. So, Abdullah, we have just started the class. Okay, everybody look at the screen first. Okay, Karish, Shweta and all. Everybody look at the screen first, everybody. Okay. Okay, what is the basically this like I've told you that the first thing should you in in your mind that you have to write down the all the information. Like let's read out the statement first. If an object 7 centimeter height, I think I've taken this one in the previous. Okay, sorry, I've taken this example. Let me take the next one. Okay, this is the one question. It's a question you will get a little bit confused, and I will ask to all of you. Sorry. Where is the insertion part? Yes, it's. Yes, this is the question. Sorry. Yes, yes, everybody. Let's take this question first. Okay. The question is saying that calculate the focal length of a convex lens which produces a virtual image at a distance of 50 centimeter. Now tell me, this is which distance it is given? It's object distance, image distance, or like what?
Which distance?
This 50 centimeter image object. Yes, tell me. Image. And it's saying virtual image. So what will be the sign of this image distance? Can anybody tell me?
Positive.
Oh, who said positive? I'm not saying, like, I'm just asking one by one. Who's like, what will be the distance? Will it be positive or negative? I just want the answers.
Negative.
Karishma or Hiba? I like, who said negative?
Negative. So negative.
Okay, Karishma said negative.
Shweta
Hiba
also
said
said
negative.
negative.
Shweta said negative. Hashid, Adil. Why boys are silent?
Negative.
Negative. Adil and somebody said. Hiba, your voice is not coming to me, dear. That's why I'm just continuously saying that. I thought that you are answering. Okay, no issues. I think you might have, like, you have some issue with the mic, so don't worry. So because it's saying that the image is virtual, and there is only one case in the convex lens when the image is virtual. And the object is placed between the focus and the optical center of the lens. The image produced is on the same side of the object. Yes or no? Everybody got it? Yes or no? So if the object is on, if the image is on the same side, which means that we are going opposite to the direction of light, which means that the image will be in negative. Those who said negative, very correct. U. Can anybody tell me what's the value of U?
20 centimeter.
Minus 20 centimeter. Yes, very good. Okay, so let's apply the lens formula. It is 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by of F. We need to find out the focal length. Clear? So let's apply the focal length. 1 by F as it is will be remain. And it will be 1 by V is nothing but 1 by 50 minus of 1 by 50, sorry, minus of 1 by 20. Clear or not, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1 by 20. Positive, it will become positive, and 1 by 50 equals to 20. It will just cross multiply 20 into 50. Everybody got this point step or not?
Got it, sir.
Got it now? Very good. So if you are taking the cross multiplication, this will multiply with this and this will multiply with this. Yes or no? And the denominator will multiply to each other. Clear?
Yes.
50 minus 20. It is 30 divided by 20 into 50. Clear? 0 will cancel out this 0. And this 3, like, no.
100.
I don't think, no. 3 will not cancel. So this will be. So just reciprocate because it's 1 by F. We can reciprocate, yes or no? So it will be
Yes.
f, and this denominator will become the numerator, and this numerator will become the denominator. So it's 20 into 5, it's 100 divided by 3 centimeter. Clear, everybody?
Sir, we don't need to put
Yes, sir.
decimals.
No need to put decimals. Like if you're getting the answer in fraction, that's also okay. Like if you are able to like if the fraction is getting like somehow reduced, you can. But if you are taking like if you are getting the answer in decimal, try to do one thing, just like leave that thing in the fractions, because in some of the points you need to calculate the magnification, and if you take the decimal, the magnification calculation will be very complex to you. Clear? In this case, magnification is not mentioned, but in some of the cases you will need to calculate the magnification as well when the focal length is in fraction, or the image distance or the object distance is in fraction. Okay, clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt to anybody? Yes, Hiba, you are audible now. Yes,
okay.
yes. Yeah. Is that clear to everybody?
So will they
Yes,
reduce
sir.
the marks if we don't change it into decimals?
Shweta, are you saying something?
Yes, sir. Will they
Your voice is very low, Shweta. Can you please speak a little bit louder, dear?
Sir, will they change, will they deduct the marks if we don't change it into decimals?
Shweta, I'm not you are not audible. You can type the message in the chat so that I can read it, because your voice, maybe you have some internet issue or either
Sir,
mic issue.
I think she's asking, will they cut marks if you don't reduce it to decimals or something?
No. They are not going to cut the marks. Answer is absolutely correct. Like if the student is very good in mathematics, they can go ahead. But if you don't want to take risk, just leave that fraction. I'm just saying, be on the safe side. Clear? And if you are confident that you can solve this like a decimal, okay, Shweta, got it, dear, your message. Okay, so they are not going to cut your marks in terms of like if you are not writing that thing in the decimals.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'm taking one example. Just give me a moment. Like I'm trying to cover all the types of things which are there. Yes. Let me take again. This slide chapter looks very easy, but when you solve the numericals and the type of image formation, all the thing, in that case, it looks a little bit tricky. So that's why I'm continuously saying just revise and revise, because if you don't revise, you will forget everything, whatever you have learned so far. It's the question I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve it. It's very easy, direct, straightforward question. Just do that. Straightforward question. How many of you remember that what kind of lens do we use in the microscope? No, not microscope, magnifying glass, sorry. Not microscope, magnifying glass. I've told you in the image formation part. Does anybody remember?
Convex.
Are you sure about it? I don't want any 50-50 answer. I want the confirmed answer.
Sir, concave.
Okay, you said concave. Okay. Okay, it's a confirmed answer. Why is everybody silent? Let's I'm saying that continuously because so that you can answer as well. So everybody is like this question is open to all. Anybody can answer.
Concave, sir.
Concave. Okay. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is the case when we placed an object between the focus and the optical center? What kind of image is formed?
Sir, why are you smiling?
I'm just asking that everybody said concave. So the distance in the question is meter. Just let me look distance. So Hiba, convert, like who said in the chat, Shweta, you can convert this into centimeter, dear. It's 10 meters, so 1 centimeter, it would be what? You will just convert this in the centimeter. Either you can convert it like, you can do one thing. Either you have to convert this object height, focal length, everything in meter, or you just convert this distance. It's what? It's the object is placed. So it's the object distance, right? So it would be 1000 centimeter, yes or no?
Yes.
Because in 1 meter, 100 centimeters are there, na?
Yes, sir.
Got it? So you have to think about the SI like units of the question. That's very important. So just do that question, and then last topic is left is the power of lens. Then we will just wrapping up this chapter, all the things. I will give you one assignment for the uses and the all the theoretical types of questions will be there. Like very less.
Sir,
Like,
magnification is done.
magnification.
Yes, sir. Is it done?
Magnification. Yes, magnification is. I've told you the same thing. Okay, I will explain that thing to you again in the lens part as well, because we have taken this in the mirror part. I've told you. I think you were there as well.
Last class?
In the last class? No, in the not in the last class. From this, like I think in the previous 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks ago. Okay, no issues. I will explain that thing to you again. Similar thing. What we have done in the mirror, it's nothing much, you can say complex. It's similar thing. I will explain that to you again. Very short topic. Not very short topic. It's a complete formula, nothing but more than that. When we say the size of image formed is nothing but what? It's the magnification part. Like if you have to find the size of the image, you are applying the magnification formula. Okay, Karishma? Got it? M is equals to V by U in the lens.
Is the image distance 10 by 3?
Image distance is?
10 by 3.
Let me check. Like I don't have the proper answer key of this because okay, we will do that question like when we solve it. Don't worry, just do that and let me know whether you are complete like done with the question or not. Can anybody tell me what is the sign of the focal length of concave lens? Yes, everybody. What is the sign of the focus like focal length? What is the sign of the focal length of concave lens? Sorry, concave lens. And what type of lens it is? It is converging or diverging?
Concave lens, it's negative.
Yes, Hiba dear, can you please speak that again?
The sign is negative for concave lens.
Okay. Yes, it's correct. Concave is negative and the convex is positive. And what type of lens we are saying to concave? Converging or diverging? Yes, Hiba? I think Karishma Shweta said something.
Converging.
Diverging, right?
Karishma said diverging. Many more answers coming. I think so. Like nobody make the notes, I think, because they are very confused. And this will be a 1 marker in your exam. I've told you in the starting, the rays, when they basically the spherical lens or the spherical mirror which converge the rays, like basically they are converging the rays in the reality, they are called converging lens or converging mirror. Okay, and when the rays appears to meet, when we extend or basically our imaginary line, then it's said to be the diverging lens or diverging mirror.
Sir, is
Now
it
what type?
convex? Is it convex? It's
Which one?
convex. Converging lens is convex, right?
Convex, yes, converging. Lens is convex. So everybody, any answer? Like I think Shweta said the answer. It's 10/2 or 10/4. Shweta, that was from your side, yes?
10/3.
10/3. Okay. Karishma, Adil, Hiba, and Hashid. Like I don't know why why the boys are very silent and like they are not answering or they are not active at all at this class in this class right now.
Yes, sir.
Hashid, any answer, dear?
No, sir.
Hashid, solve it. If you're saying right now no, so how will you solve that question in the exam? Similar kinds of question will be there. Nothing much, simple formula based. Take the reference of this question which I've done in this, because this is the last part. Nothing is left in the chapter. Only power of a lens is left, and Karishma is saying magnification. I'll explain that thing to everybody again. Only 2 minutes to 3 minutes topic is that. Solve it. Giving you 2 more minutes, everybody. Simple question.
I did solve it.
Which one is diverging mirror?
Convex.
Mirror, I'm saying mirror. So it's convex. Very good, Hiba. You are you are listening the statement very correctly. So, and the converging is the concave mirror. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. Do that question. And then we will be doing the magnification and the power of a lens.
Sir, one minute.
So
How many of you wear the specs or the glasses, like continuous glasses, like
Me.
permanently?
Me, sir.
Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
Hashid, Abdullah, Karishma, Adil also. I think like I've seen Adil also. Okay,
Sir,
so
I just got my lens, a new specs last week because my power increased.
Okay, so that's basically the next topic is coming based on the reality. Okay, so just
Human
do the
eye.
question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes,
Hypermyopia.
yes, Karishma, you are saying there.
So, my specs are like hypermyopia. Like
Okay.
It's hypermetropia, not
Metropia.
hypermyopia.
Myopia. It's myopia is something.
okay, sir.
Myopia, yeah. Okay, no issues. Don't get in the don't make the tense environment in the class.
No.
Sometimes happen, Abdullah.
Sir, we are studying that in 8th grade and like people are
Okay, no
pronouncing it
issues.
hypermyopia.
Sometimes happen. No issues. Calm down. Okay. Thank you for correcting her. That's very good that you are attentively listening to everybody's word.
Thank you
That's
so
very
much.
great, Sai.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Just okay. Okay, so no issues. Like I'm not getting any answer from anybody. Like only two of
Sir,
like one or two
image
students.
formed is
Yes.
10 centimeter and magnification is -1.
Okay, Karishma. Oh, okay, but let's check whether you are doing that thing in the right way or not. So object is what centimeter tall? 2 centimeter. HO is 2 centimeter. Your first thing is to write the information which is given, because okay. Next is the focal length of the convex lens is 5 centimeter. Just nothing but F is equals to +5. Why height of the object is positive? Can anybody tell me? At a distance of 10 centimeter from the optical center, U is minus
Yes,
10 meter.
Image is positive.
So it will be into 100 centimeter. So it is minus of 1000 centimeter. Clear? What we need to find? We need to find the nature, position, and size. Position means we need to find out the image distance. Position is the position of the image or not? What? It's the image distance, na? At what point the image is forming? Everybody, yes or no?
10 meters.
Okay. No, I'm just asking. Position is nothing but the image distance. So here I got 10 meter. Like everybody has also got some answer. Let's apply the formula, lens formula. First of all,
After
yes, Hiba, you are saying something.
in the question 10 meter after you have to
Convert this into centimeter. Yes, because it's
yes,
meter.
sir.
Meter. Centimeter is given already here. So 1 by V minus 1 by U. Clear? You write this thing as well, because sometimes happen that you forget, but if you write this, at least you will get 1 marks for these information. Clear? Whenever you will just remind that it's now I can solve this question. So after that you can proceed. Sometimes happen that you don't know how to proceed. If you write these things, even you get 1 mark for the 3 marker question. So I'm giving you the how you will get the marks like from each and every word of your answer sheet. Clear? But I will suggest you to attempt the whole paper. Okay, so let's put the value here. 1 by 5 equals to 1 by V minus of minus 1 by 1000. Clear, everybody? This minus will
Yes,
make
sir.
this minus positive. Yes or no? Equals to 1 by V plus 1
Plus 1
by
by
1000. Okay. So 1 by V, can I take 1 by 1000 on the left hand side? Harshit, please concentrate here.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. 1 by 1000, because you are like a little bit confused. Don't worry. I will explain. I'm explaining from like first step. So this is a cross. You can take the either LCM or the cross multiplication. But in this method, cross multiplication is a better approach. Okay, that's why I'm not preferring the LCM method. LCM will be, you will get confused. But in the cross multiplication, everything is just getting cancelled. That's a very simplest approach in this type of question. Clear, everybody? So it's denominator will multiply to each other and they will just interchange. This in denominator will multiply with this numerator like this, and this will multiply with this. 1000 minus 5. So it is 995, not 995, 995. 995 divided by 5 into 1000. Clear? Yes, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, very good, very good. So now tell me, I will just reciprocate it. V will be 5 into 1000 divided by 995. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
try,
Yes, sir.
this is 5.
So 1.
So it will be 5, 45, 9 and 5. 9. 195, 545, 49 and 4, 995. Okay. Okay, so it is 1000 by 1,999. So is it getting cancelled out by any somehow? I don't think so. No. So you will write this. This is your answer. Is everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So Hiba, you get 10, right? You were saying 10.
Yeah, sir. I did a mistake in the starting itself. I forgot. I took 10 as centimeters. So
Okay, okay. That's what I'm trying to say. Everybody, just look at the thing at the units of the form questions as well. Clear? So that's what your answer is. 10 by 1000 by 199 centimeter. Clear? You can see now that it's not getting cancelled out by something else. Clear now? If you are to confirm, I will write the thing as 5, 449 and 4. It's 995. Clear? So that's how 199 is left. Next thing, what you need to find, the question is saying the nature. Nature is saying that. Now tell me, the image is positive, the object distance is negative. What you can say? Really an inverted image, na? Because convex lens made what kind of images? Real and inverted?
Real and inverted, yes, sir.
Real and inverted. So let's write, first of all, let's write the magnification. Karishma, look at this topic here. Magnification is the formula, if the ratio of V by U in lens. If you take minus sign, it will be in the mirror. Clear? Just keep that thing in the mind. If it's a minus, write down in your copy, everybody. If M equals to minus V by U, it's for mirror. Write down, everyone, mirror. Clear? It's for mirror. And if you take the positive, not any, like if you take the M equals to V by U, it will be lens. Clear? This is the magnification. Basically, this ratio will tell you basically how, like what will be the size of the image. Whether it would be, whether the image would be smaller than the object, whether it would be greater than the object, or will be whether it will be equals to object. So if the, I'm telling you again, if the magnification is greater than 1, magnification is greater than 1, which means that the image is greater than object. Image height, basically it's image height, nothing but image height. Everybody got it? If I'm saying image is greater, it means image height.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody? M equals to 1. It means that image height is
Same size.
equal. Yes, equal to the object. Clear? And image is less than 1. It could be negative, it could be point something. It means that
Less
image is
it's small.
smaller. Basically,
Yeah.
if the image is smaller. And what does the negative sign represent in the magnification formula? Can anybody tell me, like if the I'm saying that magnification is -1, what is basically it's saying -1?
It's smaller.
Okay, Hiba said smaller. Anybody else? Like Hiba is only the one who is answering in right now. Anybody else? Karishma, Adil, Shweta, Hashid, Abdullah. Anybody? Tell me fast, because only 15 minutes are left. I want to take the power of lens as well. Was 2 to 3 types of numerical are also there. Anybody? I don't think so. Like nobody is. Basically, this negative sign represents that the image is real and inverted here. If it's negative, I'm not saying that, and the number is present here, it means that it is basically the enlarged, but it is negative. It means that it is real and basically it is inverted. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Let's find out whether this type of image is real or not. So let me, in this question, height of the image is given, height of the object is given. Sorry, we need to find the height of the image. So the formula for magnification is height of the image divided by height of the object. Clear? It doesn't matter. Everybody, it doesn't matter. The like sign is not there in the height of the image and height of the object ratio. Sign is not there. So basically, height of the object image will be as it is. Yes or no? Height of the image is +2 or -2? +2 equals to. Now you have got the relationship between M as HI by 2. One more relation is there between the V and U of the magnification. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir. -V by U.
Yes. Not -V by U. It's V by U, Hiba. Lens.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the basically the value of the image distance? It's 1000 by 1000 by 199. And what is the value of the object distance? It's negative of 1000.
Positive.
U 1000 centimeter, na?
Yes.
Everybody? Yes, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Yeah. So this 1000 will cancel out this 1000. Yes or no? So this m is equals to nothing but 1 by minus 1 by 199. Sorry. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if this is equation 1, this is equation 2, can I equate both of them because both the terms are magnification? LHS equals LHS, all both the magnification is equal. Yes or no? Magnification is what? I've told you, no? How much the image is enlarged or diminished. Basically, this ratio tells you that thing. So if this is also magnification formula, this is also magnification value. So can I equate both of the equations?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So HI by 2 equals to minus of 199. Clear? So HI will be equals to minus of 2 by 1,999. So this will be somewhat like 1,999, 200, 199.1 by. Don't do the fractional part, because if you do that, similar kind of thing will be there in the numerator, because this will become in the denominator, like the decimal part, and remove the decimal, you will get the 0 in the inside. So you can write this thing here, centimeter. Why there is negative sign? Can anybody tell me?
Because the image is
in downward direction, because the image is real.
Inverted.
Real and
Yes.
inverted.
Real and inverted. So image nature is. That's how you will identify whether you are doing the question correctly or not. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Like if you are scared, solving the fractional part or with the decimal thing, you can leave that in the decimal itself, in the fraction itself. Nobody is going to cancel your marks on the basis of that. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
But now you can see that if I make the thing 1000 by 199 in the decimal, I won't be able to cancel these things. Yes or no? That would be a very complex calculation for me. Clear, Karishma? Is that this is the magnification?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Any
Yes.
doubt? Very good. Okay, so let's take the next topic, which is power of a lens. The last topic of this chapter and the last of this class. So now everybody says that I have two, like my power of the lens is 2, my power of the lens is 6, positive 6.5. These and all. Basically, what does it represent? Basically, can anybody tell me?
Sir, for my right lens, I have a power of 1, and for my left lens, I have a power of 1.25.
Yes. So basically, power tells you how much is the convergence or divergence this spherical lens will make. You might be having the convex lens or either concave lens. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes,
There are
sir.
two types of lens now. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
So basically, two types of lens are used in the basically like by the humans. So that thing is like omitted in the human eye part, but two types of basically eye defects are there: hypermetropia and myopia. And two types of lenses are there, and one is presbyopia. Presbyopia is one who have both the hypermetropia and myopia. Yes. So in that case, both the lenses are used. Like you have seen that like old like senior citizen, when you see the goggles of the senior citizen, there is a kind of this shape.
Sir, above it is like concave lens, and below it
it's
is
a
for
kind of like
convex.
this. Yes. So that's what basically thing. So we are not going to discuss that thing. I'm telling you what is basically power of a lens. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple, nothing like very easy topic. The power of a lens is a measure of the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays falling on it. Light rays falling on it. Okay, so power of a lens is denoted by capital P, and its formula is 1 by F. Either if you are taking the power of a lens in 1 by F as 1 by F, so your focal length will be in meters. And if you are taking the power of a lens, there is another formula, the power of a lens in centimeters. You need to write the 100 in the denominator. So F will be in centimeter. Clear, everybody? These are the very crucial point for this topic. Like you have to either take the M or centimeter. If you are taking centimeter, you have to write down the 100 in the numerator. Why 100? Because when you will convert the meters into 100, there is a double division, and this 100 will go in this part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, yes or no?
Sir.
Why is everybody so
Yes,
yes?
sir.
I want the activeness in the class. You can see my volume is very high at this point. Even I'm still using the microphone. Clear, everybody? Any doubt in this part?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Sure.
sir.
So what you can relate is that P is inversely proportional to F. Inversely proportional means if I increase the value of F, this denominator will increase. So basically this fraction will decrease. Yes or no? I'm
Yes,
saying 1
sir.
by 2, 1 by
Yes.
2 or 1 by 4. Which one is great? Which one is like bigger, smaller, or like 1 by 2 is greater now? Because this denominator is small in comparison to this. That's why this fraction is greater. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Got it or not? Everybody. I want the
Got
mutual
it, sir.
answer.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Got it.
good. I want the mutual answer. I'm not saying like I'm like teaching a batch right now. Okay. Don't think that if anybody is not getting my point, tell me. I'm there to explain again and again. Okay. Got it. So basically, and if I decrease the value of this part, if decrease the value of this focal length, so your power will increase. Your power will increase. I'm saying that 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. I'm making like, now tell me, this is a denominator is smaller, so your power, this fraction will be greater, this denominator is greater, and so whole fraction will be smaller. Yes or no, everybody? That's what the thing is. Clear? Either you can understand, if you increase the value of F, your power will decrease, or in the vice versa form. If you decrease the value of this, your power will increase. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This relation is very
Yes,
important. You have to understand this relation. Okay? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Is that clear?
So,
Shweta, yes?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So whenever the questions comes in the exam, okay, one more thing is that the SI unit of power is of lens. You have to write power of lens because power is also there in the electricity. Power of lens is diopter. Capital D. We denote this by capital D. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. if you need to basically define the diopter is nothing but, diopter says that one diopter is the power, basically is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Whose focal length is 1 meter. So, okay, that if understand this thing. Now tell me, if this is in meter, the question isn't saying in meter. This diopter can be defined by the centimeter as well. One diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 100.
1 centimeter.
Yes. Clear, everybody? So now tell me, if I put the value of P is saying that 1 meter focal length is in 1 meter, I will put this thing in the in this formula because it's in meter. So equal to 1 by 1 equals to 1 diopter. It is 1 diopter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now just
Yes, sir.
we have to take something from this power of a diopter is, now you have seen when you have like when you go for the eye checkup, you have seen that when the optometrist write the thing numbers, it's positive D or negative D. Yes or no? With the number positive D and negative D. Or it's write the minus 6.5 D, minus 7.5 D, minus 1 D. It's kind of that, because I've also checked my eyes, like optometrists also suggest me to use the specs, but I'm not using it right now. So now anybody tell me, does anybody notice that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So basically positive represents that what kind of lens you are like you have to use. So power of convex lens is
Positive.
positive. Very good. Clear? Power of concave
Negative.
is negative. Okay, everybody, is that clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt till now? Sure, na? Let me
Yes.
take, okay. So let's take one numerical so that it's a very simple question, direct straightforward question is it? This is. Like straightforward questions will be there from the power of a lens. Nothing more than that. So the question is saying that a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. What its power? So now everybody tell me which formula should I
Power
use?
is 10.
Yes, very good. Now tell me which formula should I use? 1
100
by
by
F or 100 by F?
100 by
100
F.
by F.
100 by F. Very good. Why? Because the focal length is given in centimeters. So P will be 100 by F in centimeter. Write these things also before writing the answer. Okay, everybody? 100 by 10. It's all the focal length of convex is positive 10. You have to your mind should be like so much practice and skill so that you can understand what will be the sign. Okay, everybody? Ashid, Hiba, Karishma, Adil, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Very good.
sir.
So this is positive 10 diopter. You have to sign explicitly write down the positive for this power of a lens. Clear?
Sir, what
10D, D represent the diopter. Clear, everybody?
will happen if you
Yes,
only
sir.
write 10?
Yes,
If I
sir.
Sir, what will happen? Like, will they cut marks if you only write 10 instead of writing positive 10?
No, they will not cut marks. But if you explicitly mention this sign, because in the optics, we have to explicitly write down the positive and negative. Because power, whenever you see that, whenever you go to optometrist, you will see that power, they will explicitly write down the positive sign in front of the, even the value is positive, or like they will explicitly mention the negative and the positive. So that's why I'm telling you, when you will solve this question, explicitly mention, because if just think now, positive sign, you have to
Okay,
just write positive.
sir.
Na? Okay, that
डाल
thing
देंगे
clear
सर,
na?
डाल देंगे सर, घबराए नहीं यार, डाल देंगे.
That's great. Clear, everybody? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Giving you one more question, and then we will be done with this topic, and I will give you the assignment of the whole chapter. And you have to solve and send it to me. Each and every person, I'm telling, like I'm saying it to each and every person, whether it's Hiba, Hashid, Adil, Karishma is left and Shweta is left. Yes. It's a, okay. So question is there. It's saying that a person having a myopic eye use a concave lens of focal length of 50 centimeter. Okay, now it comes to the point. And now tell me, everybody, what is the value of this focal length? It's a positive or a negative? I won't answer.
Negative.
Hiba said negative.
Negative.
What about rest? Karishma
Negative.
said negative. Okay, Karishma. What about rest? Adil, Hashid, Abdullah, and Shweta. 4 are left.
Yes, sir.
Negative. Hashid said negative. What about Adil and Abdullah? Shweta?
Negative, sir.
Negative. Okay. Yeah, it's negative. Minus 50 centimeter. Clear? So what is the power of a lens? Centimeter is given. What you will write? 100 by F in centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So it is 100 divided by minus 50.
Which
Okay?
is -2.
Minus of 2 diopter. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Any doubt so far?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, write it down, because there's also one class after this, because students are waiting. I have to leave as well after this class. So please do this fast, because I have one more class.
Sir,
Yes, Hiba dear.
I might have my I'm asking this like math related question. Like I might have exams in November and like circles is there, but in circles, like in construction part, if there's like, I'll ask in maths class actually.
Okay, you will just join the class in the earlier part, and we will discuss that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Right now it's a little bit because students are waiting, and there's another class of some
Yes, sir.
other teachers. Okay, we'll discuss that thing in the maths class. Everybody done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining the class. So you can leave and take care, and keep practicing one more time. I'm remember